Yeah, pulse pressure.
You'll see.
Jesus. Yeah, different car. So.
just finished this car. It's our customer's car, the Tate brothers, and we're taking the car back to them. It's a little surprise what we done with this car, because when the car arrived at us, it was like a vacuum cleaner, and I think we did our best, and now they're gonna have a very, very big surprise. The car pulls a lot more better. It's way different, and it's like an animal. I just cannot wait to see them and to see their reaction. Look at this. Look. drops. Yeah, let's drop it. So this car has the first car in the world with the FE exhaust and with downpipes, catless downpipes, and I think it's the first with pops and bangs. I think I'm not pretty sure, but I think this is the first with pops and bangs. So I think we did a good job, but that's for our customers to say. You just have to listen to this sound and tell us this is a good job. I think you did.
So we're going to pull a small prank on them. We'll have the car with the valves closed. Let's see the reaction. Yeah, I'm recording a bit, but I told you.
Oh, good, I'm good.
Yeah, I'm good.
Okay.
I did my best.
I believe you, Are you gonna rev it or me?
You?
Me?
Yeah.
It sounded like a vacuum cleaner before. You were right.
I'm fucking with you. Wait, I'm fucking with you. Press this button. I was fucking with you. Press it. Now,
It's badass. I've got a remote for my exhaust. That's amazing. So this
no, you should see the pops.
it's only going up to 3,000 now.
Yeah.
It's rev limited by Porsche. It's not.
I had no idea this came with it. This is fucking amazing.
Yeah.
Bro, it sounds
I'm telling you, it's a different animal. You're gonna be amazed of the power of this car now.
You've added power.
I didn't add power. I removed all the filters. I removed the emissions restrictions, and now it's pulling crazy.
Yeah. Pulse better.
You'll see.
Jesus. Yeah, different car. So it was just emission. It was just emission bullshit that's slowing it down.
Yeah. You can test it here. It's on. I put the pops and banks mapping on sport. It's not on sport plus. So you put it on sport. Yeah.
We'll go back.
And
So sport is the mode to keep it in. That's the best mode now.
sport is the pops and banks mode. So you will do like this. Rev it up to go. Actually, change the gears and leave it. Now put kids first gear. You have to keep it up in the rev.
Awesome.
It will do very badass pops if you have the place to.
Yeah. I understand.
To go.
I can already hear how much better it is. It's a completely different car, and it's much faster. Like
It's different.
when
I first rode this car, I didn't like it.
yeah, slow.
Yeah, it was like up in the revs, it was dead.
Yeah. It ran out of power.
Yeah. So after I remove all the emission shit out of the software, it's different. It's pulling like a pig.
Great job. I'm super happy, bro. Yeah, it looks similar. Yeah, it looks very similar.
Yeah, I think it's the key to the new Evo Lamborghini.
It looks very good. Okay, so this has to stay in here. That's that. I'm gonna put it away because I'm broke. Thank you very much.
Good.
Thank you, bro. Thank you. I cannot wait for this virus to be gone. Cars to drive, bro.
How many